The following message is transmitted at the request of the Broward County Sheriff's Office. Broward County law enforcement officials and the Florida Highway Patrol are requesting the public's assistance in locating a very dangerous individual named Alejandro Lopez, a Hispanic white male, 6 feet 1 inch tall, weighing 208 pounds, with brown hair and black eyes. He was last seen wearing a black coat and blue jeans with black boots. It is believed that this individual is harboring an AK-47, an M95, and a knife. This individual is considered an immediate threat to all life and property, and has brutally murdered multiple people all across the county. At this time, Alejandro Lopez's whereabouts are currently unknown. If you happen to see Alejandro Lopez, please call 911.